We have Google and Microsoft reporting earnings today, and this is what the market is expecting the report to come in at. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. I want to make today's video super short and sweet, and if you enjoy it, then again, all I literally ask you to do is give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll take care of the rest. Microsoft is going to be reporting earnings after the market closes. Microsoft, as of right now, is down 4%. It doesn't surprise me that it's selling off. Partially, part of that sell-off is Meta. Meta reported earnings yesterday, which kind of set the tone for big tech. Microsoft ended up selling off, and then more of a sell-off happened today as we began to release some economic reports that negatively impacted the overall market. Remember, when the overall market sells off, it drags down big tech with it, and vice versa as well. As of right now, we're currently trading at 392.50, but if you look at this, our previous highs are 430. So we have pulled on back, so this is kind of an in-between, and the example that I want to give you is yesterday, when Meta reported earnings, Meta was extremely overbought, meaning that it was very, very pricey. Yet, when it reported earnings, and although it hit and came in better than what was expected, the stock sold off. Anytime a stock is very overbought, very overextended, if the earning report that it releases and the guidance that it releases does not meet the hype behind that stock, then again, a correction will happen. So that's kind of a question to ask yourself. Do you think that what it's about to report based off of what it's talked about in its previous guidance, that this stock is going to exceed market's expectation? If not, then again, be ready for a pullback. So what is the market's expectation for Microsoft? Microsoft has an EPS, which is an earnings per share expectation or forecast of $2.82 and a revenue of $60.84 billion. And I cannot stress this enough. I've said it once and I'll say it again. Remember, when it comes down to the earning reports, that is part of why the market reacts or why the stock reacts the way that it does. The secondary, and in my opinion, the most important part is the guidance. Guidance is what's to come in the future. What is the guidance for 2024? What do they have in the works? And do they expect slower demand that was not already factored in? That is exactly why Meta sold off yesterday. Their guidance for 2024 was not the best. And that scares investors. I'm trying to humanize this for you so you understand. It's not just about what they report based off of their previous performance from their previous quarter, but also what they expect to come for the rest of 2024. And if it's not as great as Wall Street sets as an expectation, then the stock will sell off, even if the actual earning report from the previous quarter comes in higher than what was expected. Same thing for Alphabet. Alphabet's the parent company of Google. Earnings per share is $1.51, and the revenue is $78.71 billion. Remember, both of these companies are reporting earnings after the market closes today, and then they have the earnings call. I'll leave it up to you guys. I definitely do not have to. But if you guys want me to host the live stream where we get to watch these earning reports happen live and in real time, all I ask you to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel and get this video to over 1,000 likes if you want me to host that free live stream. If it doesn't, then again, I respect it. You guys can watch it on your own. The other thing that I want to be open with you guys about is just like I made $7,200 yesterday shorting Tesla. I opened up a new short position on Tesla today during my live trading session. It's not going exactly according to plan, but again, I'm not here just to show you my green days. I want to show you my current red trade. This is what I have on the open, $3,800, about $4,000 almost in the red, shorting Tesla stock. I still think that Tesla's going to pull on back to the lows of 160, possibly even the lows of 158. And because of that, I still have my short position opened. I plugged it into my risk to reward ratio calculator, and the ratios make sense. And I'm waiting for that confirmation for it to break below EMA so I can add more to my position shorting Tesla stock. Remember, that is my plan. I just wanted to keep you guys up to date, showing you both my red days and my green days. Remember, I trade live every single day right at market open. And if you're a beginner and if you feel lost being able to do this all on your own, then guess what? You don't have to. I trade live right at market open, and you can tune on in as soon as tomorrow. That's the second link in the description down below. If you sign up today, you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. And yes, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access, but no, it is not for free. So if you're looking for a free alternative, this is not it. You can watch free videos on YouTube or free live streams on YouTube. But when it comes down to these daily live sessions, it really comes down to how bad you want it and if you see value in it. And if you do, second link in the description down below. There's a reason that we are one of the most popular live trading sessions every single morning right at market open. And I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And like I said, get this video to over 1,000 likes, and we'll host that live stream for the Microsoft and Google earnings. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.